In this video, I'm going to show you how to export designer jobs from LinkedIn to Excel. The resulting Excel file will look like this. Click the like button to support the channel, and if you're into web automation and data extraction, subscribe for more bot tutorials. Let's go. To extract designer jobs from LinkedIn to Excel, we'll use the LinkedIn Jobs Extractor. Find the bot link in the video description. Here's how to launch this tool. Head to Botster. Create a free Botster account and log in. Search for the LinkedIn Jobs Extractor. Click on the bot name. Click on the green button to start the bot. Name your job. Specify how many job postings you need to extract. Open LinkedIn and set the job filters. Copy the link and paste it into the bot field. Select notification type: email, Google Drive, Slack, Telegram, Webhook, or Zapier. Launch the bot into action. Done. Click on CSV, Excel, or JSON to save the extracted designer jobs to your computer, or click on View Data to open the results online. We've extracted a list of designer jobs, including job titles, companies, locations, and more. View the full example file from this video on the bot page. Sign up on Botster and get access to the LinkedIn Jobs Extractor and dozens of other powerful bots. If you found this video to be useful, click the like and subscribe buttons for more automation tutorials. See you in the next video.